Hello, how are you? Well, in this video, we are going to start the new lesson, Statistics. Statistics are the branch of mathematics that organizes, represents, and interprets data. And what is data? Well, data is a collection of numbers, observations, words, measurements, etc. Examples: the age is a number. So if I ask you your age, I get data. I get a collection of data. If I ask you the color of your eyes, that's a word. So that's data. If I ask you your height, that's a number. And that's also a measurement. So there are plenty of examples. Data can be divided into two different types: qualitative, when we get descriptive information, for example, the color of your eyes, and quantitative, when we get numerical information. For example, your height, the number of hours that you sleep a day, your age, etc. So let's see an example of data. So imagine this example: scores on a math test. So I'm going to ask 10 people, 10 students, about their scores on a math test. And we get this data: 9, 7, 5, 5, 3, 6, 10, 10, 9. Let's see how many numbers we have. And one more, 6. So now we have 10 scores, 10 numbers, because we have asked 10 people, 10 students. All right. Well, so now we are going to see a way to represent this information, this data. And this way is called frequency table. In a frequency table, we have two columns. The first column is the scores. We're going to make a straight line to separate the columns. And the second column is called frequency. Frequency. This frequency is the number of times that something is happening or occurring. So for example, if we choose one score, the 7, what is the frequency? So how many times that score is occurring, is happening, okay? Well, so to do this, we are going to start with the lowest score, the smallest score. So the smallest score is the 3. What is the frequency of 3? So we have to count how many times the 3 occurs. Oh, only one. Okay, there is only one 3, so 1. Next number, the next score is the 4 after 3, okay? But there is no force, so the frequency is 0. Next number is 5. And we have 1 5, 2 5s, 2 5s. Next number is 6. There is 1, 2, 2 6. Next one is 7. There is 1 7 here. Next is 8. We have no 8. We continue with the 9, the 10. There is how many 9s? 1 here, another here, 2 9s. And 10s, 1 and 2. Right. So let me make this line better. Well, this is a way to organize the information, to summarize or to represent this information with a frequency table. So we can see quickly the different scores organized by their frequency. So after this column, we can make another column called relative frequency. And the relative frequency is the frequency divided by the total number of people, of elements that I have asked. So in this case, n is 10, so divided by n. And this column is going to be useful to make statistic graphs that we'll see in future videos. So let's see how to make this column, the relative frequency. So I'm going to make another line here. So the first frequency is 1 over the number of students that I have asked. So 1 over 10. This is 0.1. The second is 0. 0 over 10 is 0. Next one is 2 over 10, and this is 0.2. Next one is 0.2 again, because the number 2 is again here. Next one, 1 is 0.1. 0, 2 is 0.2 again, and 0.2. If you add all these relative frequencies, we get 1. If we add the frequencies, we get the number of students, 10. And this number of students, 10, is also the number of data that we have. So this is everything. I hope you understand the video. I'm going to complete here the frequency, the relative frequencies, in case you don't understand anything. So 1 over 10, 0 over 10, 2 over 10, and 2 over 10. Okay, so I see you in next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.